Kenny sells homemade hand puppets for $13 and he sells exactly 815 hand puppets each week. Kenny's mom needs more money, so Kenny needs to increase his profits. Kenny gets free consulting from his friend and estimates that for every $3 increase in price of the hand puppets, 4 less will be sold each week. If each hand puppet costs Kenny $4, at what price should Kenny sell the hand puppets to maximize his profit? Kenny's current profit right now can be found by subtracting how much it costs Kenny to make the puppet, which is $4, from how much Kenny sells the puppet for, which is $13. This makes his current profit $9 per hand puppet sold. The new profit is given by the following function. P of x equals to 815 minus 4x times 13 plus 3x. When x is a $1 increase in price, 13 plus 3x is the price charged for each puppet, and 815 minus 4x is the number sold. Since we now have our P of x function, which is 815 minus 4x times 13 plus 3x, we have to FOIL and we get 10,595 plus 2,445x minus 52x minus 12x squared. Now we combine like terms to get negative 12x squared plus 2,393x plus 10,595. We have to derive our P of x function using the power rule, and we get negative 24x plus 2,393. We set P prime of x equal to 0, so we get 0 equals to negative 24x plus 2,393. We have to isolate the x variable, so we add 24x to both sides, and we get 24x equals to 2,393. We divide both sides by 24, and we get x equals to approximately 99.7. We can now use the first derivative test to verify that x equals to 99.7 is where the maximum value occurs. When you plug in a number that's less than 99.7 into the p prime of x function, you get a positive answer. But when you plug in an x value that's greater than 99.7 into the p prime of x function, you get a negative answer. Since p of prime of x goes from positive to negative, x equals to 99.7 is where the maximum value occurs. When you graph the original function, negative 12x squared plus 2,392x plus 10,595, you can see that 99.7 is a maximum value because it's going from positive to negative. We can also test this algebraically by simply plugging values into the original equation 815 minus 4x times 13 plus 3x. When your x value is 98.7, your profit is $129,883. When your x value is 99.7, your profit is $129,896. And when your x value is 100.7, your profit is $129,884. We can see that 99.7 gives us the greatest profit out of all these three. This means that Kenny will make the most profit when the price of his hand puppets are $99.70 each.